In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Weebly. If you're looking to improve the navigation on your website and make it more user-friendly, drop-down menus are a simple yet effective solution. So let's dive into the steps and get your menu up and running in no time. First, head over to Weebly.com. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log in with your email and password. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. You can easily create one right there on the spot. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the option that says Edit Site. Clicking on this will open your website's editing interface where you can make all the changes you need. Now we're going to focus on organizing your site's pages. The Pages tab is where you'll want to head next. This section is essentially the hub for all your website's pages, making it easy to navigate and manage them. When you click on the Pages tab, you'll see a list of all the pages your site currently has. To create a drop-down menu, you'll be nesting pages under a main page. Find the page you want to include in the drop-down menu and select it. Once you've got your page selected, it's time to do a bit of dragging. Move your cursor over the page and drag it slightly to the right. This action will make the page a sub-page, or in other words, part of a drop-down menu under the main page you've selected. Repeat this process for any other pages you wish to include in your drop-down menu. Simply select each additional page and drag it to the right, just like you did before. You'll notice that as you add more sub-pages, they all neatly fit under the main page, creating a cohesive drop-down menu. This not only enhances the aesthetic of your site, but also improves the navigation for your users. Visitors will be able to click on the main page and see a list of all the sub-pages you've included. And there you have it. Your drop-down menu is now live, allowing for easier navigation and a cleaner look on your Weebly site. It's a great way to organize content, especially if you have a lot of pages that could be grouped under a common category. This process is quick and straightforward, yet it makes a significant impact on the usability of your website. By keeping your site organized, you enhance the overall user experience, making it more likely that visitors will explore more of your content. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy editing! If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks for building and enhancing your website.